Hello kids, welcome to Winners 10 YouTube channel. This video is about how to make fully automatic washing machine with cotton box. This is the front load washing machine and this is the lid and this is the surf box, and I have made this washing machine for my kid. In this video, I will show you how to make this washing machine at home with one cotton box and 2 to 3 different color papers. And it is very easy to make this washing machine. If you see here, we have used 3 different color papers: green, pink and violet, and a small cotton box. To make this washing machine at home, we need one cotton box, 3 different color papers, 1 scissors, 1 glue stick and 1 transparent plaster. So before I begin this video, I request you to please subscribe Winners 10 YouTube channel and activate the bell icon to receive notifications on latest video uploads. So this is the front load washing machine. So draw a circle for the lid and cut it with scissors.
ఇక్కడంతా కట్ చేసేయాలి. ఇది కూడా కట్ చేసేయరా? ఇది కూడా కట్ చేయి.
Don't cut completely.
అది
Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, kindly click on like button, and also please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.